Creating a Google Meet for open house. First, we're going to navigate to Google Calendar. From here, we're going to select the day for your division's open house. In this demonstration, we'll go ahead and set it for September 22nd. I'm simply going to click to create a new event and title it Open House. We'll go ahead and add a time, 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. We'll go ahead and add Google Meet video conferencing, and I have a copy conference information button here. Next, I need to email this information to families through RenWeb. In this demonstration, though, I'm simply going to go through my Gmail account. When composing the new email, because I've copied the information in the previous step, I simply hold down Command V, or I can hit Edit, Paste. And there's the details for the event, which includes the Google Meet link.